There are two options to obtain access to Nexus, either as a subscribed or as a non-subscribed user. Here we'll go over the Nexus sign-on process for non-subscribed users. To begin, first you'll need to ensure you have a Microsoft-enabled email account. You may use an existing email address, or you can set up a new Microsoft Outlook account. Watch the following YouTube video on the process to set up a Microsoft email account. Once you've confirmed the Microsoft account is active, navigate to www.ssi-corporate.com. If this is the first time requesting a Nexus account, you can do so by selecting the Resources tab and choosing Get a Trial. Fill out this form in its entirety. As you're filling out the form, if you're an independent user that is not affiliated with any organization, simply enter Not Applicable or NA for organization name and address. Also, leave the company website name as the default. Once complete, press Submit and the Thank you for submitting the form page will appear. This form will both create a Nexus account for you and activate your trial. The completion of both processes will be indicated by two separate emails that will be delivered to your inbox. One providing Nexus access confirmation, and a second from SSI Training indicating that your SSI trial access has been granted. It may take up to 60 minutes for you to receive both emails. Additionally, you may need to check your spam or junk folder to ensure they have not been flagged there inadvertently. There is a chance that you've visited our site before and you've already requested or obtained Nexus access via the SSI Nexus account request form, which can be found under the SSI Learning tab and clicking Nexus. This form is generally for those that do not require a trial but are still looking for Nexus access, like subscribers. If you did happen to fill out this form list, simply wait for the first confirmation email from ssi.invitation@ssi-corporate.com providing Nexus access. This can take up to 30 minutes from initial form completion. Once this has been received, revisit www.ssi-corporate.com and proceed with the Get a Trial form as previously directed. Again, after up to 30 minutes, you should receive the email from SSI Training indicating that your SSI trial access has been granted. Once you're ready, navigate to Nexus using the hyperlink found within the email from ssi.invitation@ssi-corporate.com that provides Nexus access confirmation. From the Permissions Request dialog, click Accept. You will only be prompted to do this the first time you access Nexus. This should give you full access to Nexus for a trial period of 60 days. If you notice that you're unable to see all of Nexus's available content, ensure that your trial access has been successfully granted. Some content within Nexus will not be available until the trial process has been completed. There are some useful things to note outside the regular Nexus sign-up process for non-subscribers. Within the body of the email from SSI Training indicating that your SSI trial access has been granted, you'll be provided the option to download the ShipConstructor Essentials PDF, which will walk you through the initial steps to set up the software for the first time. Once you've successfully logged on to Nexus, further resources on how to use and set up ShipConstructor will be found under the SSI Learning tab.